Have you ever scratched your butt, sniffed your fingers, and immediately thought, why on earth did I just do that? Here's the really disturbing part. You probably aren't the first. Somewhere in human history, one absolute legend did it before anyone else. But why? And why are millions of perfectly normal people still running the exact same software thousands of years later? Believe it or not, your nose used to be one of your body's best doctors. Long before mirrors, bathrooms, or even soap existed, smell was information. It could tell you if a wound was infected, if food had spoiled, if an animal was nearby, or if something was seriously wrong with your own body. So imagine a caveman. He scratches. He pauses. His brain goes, hang on, let's collect some data. And just like that, humanity unlocks one of its weirdest quality control systems. Gross? Definitely. Useful? Absolutely. The strangest part is that your brain still trusts smell more than you think. Scientists know humans constantly sample their own scent without even noticing. We sniff our hands, clothes, hair, even the air around us. It's a silent diagnostic system left over from a world where missing one tiny clue could get you killed. Which means that awkward little sniff after scratching. It probably isn't a disgusting modern habit at all. It's a prehistoric survival instinct that's been quietly hitchhiking inside your brain for tens of thousands of years. So the next time you accidentally catch yourself doing it, don't ask what's wrong with you. Ask yourself one question instead. Who was the first caveman brave enough to think, yeah, I'm gonna smell that?